Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to unlock a domain name on Hostinger and obtain the EPP code. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to domains. And next to the domain name that you want to unlock first and get the EPP code from, click on manage. Here, scroll from this domain overview page, scroll down a little bit to transfer. And as you see, currently this domain name is locked. And to unlock it, simply click on this little circle and hit unlock. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom.builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Little circle and hit unlock. Unlocking your domain may allow changes to it, including transferring it to another provider. Click on unlock, and just like that, your domain is unlocked successfully. Now, to obtain the EPP code for this domain name, simply click on get code below it. And this is my EPP code to be able to transfer this domain name. And this is how to unlock a domain name on Hostinger and obtain the EPP code. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.